You are a guy, you're watching this video, change your boxer. That boxer that your girlfriend bought for you on your birthday, change it to change your boxers. And you as a lady, you buy the most expensive handbag, the most expensive shirts, top, polo. But your pants you've been wearing since last year, you're still wearing them now.
I don't die. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maram, your girl, with another video. Guys, I am back here like I never left. Today I'm gonna present you guys to Amarachi, and she's about to say something. She's about to advise you ladies out there. Yes, I don't know what is gonna be the topic or what is she going to discuss, but let's just hear from Amarachi and then roll on the video and watch the video.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever that is your time. Welcome back. According to Maram, she will say, welcome back like I never left. Okay, today I just want to share a few tips to the ladies out there, to the moms, sisters, anybody, even the guys. You can learn to show, you can show to your girlfriends or your sisters. Some people take care only of the body, just the outer body. You smell nice, but when you pull off your clothes, the odor that pulls out, when you soak your bra, it can turn to tea. What I mean by the color of the bra, the color of the depth at the bottom of your bra can change the water. As a lady, you should change your bra daily. Okay, when you come back, you pull off your bra, then you wear a new one, so that you will be refreshed. Because I'm make sure you're wearing the right cup. As a lady, you should make sure you're wearing the size of your bra, and make sure that it shouldn't be too tight. It shouldn't be too tight. It should just be normal. It should be moderate. Because when it's too tight, it presses the nipples down, and that's when the tenderness. You should also take very good care of your undies. You shouldn't repeat pants. Like once you come back, you're back from work, you take it off. And also at night, if you're not on your period, you should just let it be free. Just be free.
Let the free air enter.
Let air enter. Let air penetrate and ooze out the bad odor from it. So, and also please, very very important, your underarms. Like your underarms. If you don't wax, you can beat it or you can shave it out. But whichever way, make sure that your underarms is clean. Because even if your underarms are not clean and you're using roll-on, the odor is going to diffuse it. You want to have fresh air. So I advise you wax at your underarms. Okay. So people react to it. When they feel, they say, I'm having black dark spot there, I'm having bumps. But when you wax, that place is refreshed. It's as if it's your skin. Wow. I'm putting on a polygon that I've showed you. You wax and it wax.
Amarachi, but you know that wax is very painful.
Yeah, but do you prefer having a fresh smooth skin than having dark spots when you go to the pool, when you raise your hand?
That's brilliant.
The air just changes. So even if you want to shave, make sure that you don't wound yourself. If you won't cut yourself, it tends to develop pores, and before you know it, it turns to black. When the pores dries up, the skin turns black. So just make sure that your underarms are neat. Then you use your roll-on and your deodorant, and make sure that you smell nice. So when people passes you, as a woman, you should be like a morning flower. When people passes you, they perceive freshness. When people passes, and also without forgetting the most important part of the body, your mouth.
Wow.
You should at least brush, if not twice, at least once in a day. Don't chew gum. Some people chew gum and say, just chew gum too.
I can't have that.
Don't chew gum. Gum is not a paste.
Okay.
It's not it's not a mouthwash. It's not mouthwash. Don't chew gum. Just brush properly. Brush properly. You can use the rolling top. You can use it for your tongue. But if it doesn't have brush properly, brush your tongue properly. Keep every part of your body, even your ears. Some people avoid their ears. They don't clean their ears. You just bath. I came in contact with somebody. When I was working on the person, I found out that the ear is dirty. I have to use a cotton bud. I said, sorry ma'am, I need to clean your ear. And I couldn't stand it. So every part of the body, every single part of the body from head to toe, it needs attention. So people just bath, they rub cream, they concentrate on rubbing.
I forgot about the hose.
You forget about the tiny holes in the body. You just rub cream, you just want to be shining outside. But when you pull off your clothes, your bed mates can't stand it. So every part of your body, even your eyes, every part of your body, even the nipples, you use what's it called, the cotton wool with Vaseline, what the wrinkles.
Yes.
Try that, guys. You'll see the amount of dates that will come out.
That's
you know that
true.
your husband or your spouse will have
Very
sucking
true.
debts.
I agree with that.
So that's all. Even your neck, you should make sure that
Yeah.
every part of your body, from your hair,
It's clean.
your eyes, your nostrils. Some people, when you're talking to them, you look through that hole in the nostrils. It's a bombast that's there. Something else is there.
Alright, you will
From
not
your
kill me.
nose, your mouth, your teeth, even your tongue. And when you've not, sometimes when you've not spoken for a very long time, you tend to have bad breath.
So
You
one
can
needs
just
to be
drink
talking.
water. Drink enough of water. Drink water and mind
Hydrate
your business.
yourself,
Yes.
yeah.
Make sure you hydrate yourself. You can take cucumber. Cucumber is a very good fruit. It has a lot of water. In it. You can eat a slice of cucumber.
Wow.
Then you can take gum. But if you're not a gum type, cucumber and water is okay. But
Okay.
whichever way, make sure that your mouth is refreshed. Do not brush very well. Even if you brush very well and you keep mouth from morning to night, you're gonna, when you open that mouth of yours, another parasite is going to ooze out.
God have mercy to this little girl.
It will be another outer layer of the earth.
Wow, wow, wow.
So everywhere, but even your neck. That's why some people, they have a black neck. Their neck is different
Wow.
from this, because every time, you know, your neck is a bit covered. So if you are bathing, make sure you get to your neck. Yeah, so that your neck will run together with your neck, your
Yeah.
skin. You can see how Mariam's on her neck is not different. Especially if you have body.
Yeah,
Let me
that's
know if
true.
you're what fat, but if you have your
Body,
body,
yeah.
your body, yeah. So when you sit together, you free yourself. If
That's
you
true.
At times you can wear up to shoulder clothes so that there will be air. And when you're bathing, don't forget your neck. It boils down to every part of your fingernails. Your fingernails. If you're the type that bites your fingernails, find a good for at least once in a while. Use a cuticle to clean it off. Clean it to make sure. Have a manicure. You can do a manicure yourself. Use a scrub your body. Wash your hands.
It must not be that you have to be in the salon
Yeah, you
to do
don't
that.
have to be in the salon to look
Yeah.
good. If you're doing a little manicure in the bathroom, just use scrub your hands so your hands can be tender.
Yeah.
Especially as a woman, somebody touches your hand, it's as if you're big hair. Just because you don't manicure your hands, you have to do a mini manicure. Boils down to your novel. If you are the type that has novel, you should also use a Vaseline with a cotton bud.
Yeah, Vaseline is petroleum
Yes.
jelly and it's greasy.
It boils down to everywhere, even to your pubic area, whether you're a man or you're a woman. You make sure you shave regularly, you dodge if you like the dodging type. You clean everywhere, but you change your boxers all the time. Some guys wear one boxers 1 week.
Wow.
And they know themselves. You are the type that are wearing boxers 1 week. Congratulations. You see? Hello, hi guys.
The guilty ones are here.
The guilty ones are
The guilty ones.
the guilty ones, they are there attacking themselves.
Yes.
You are a guy, you're watching this video, change your boxers. That boxer that your girlfriend bought for you on your birthday, change it to change your boxers. And you as a lady, you buy the most expensive handbag, the most expensive shirts, top, polo. But your pants you've been wearing since last year, you're still wearing them now.
I don't die.
Your bra, you're using something to tie it. Every day your sister is sewing the bra hand for you. Change it.
Needle and thread in the
You
back
change it, you
everywhere.
change that bra, that black bra. Some people can't go to the market and buy white bra. When they give you white bra, you say no, give me black.
Black.
Because you know before you know it that the black change to purple. So please, guys,
Wow.
those things
This is
are
very insightful.
very necessary. They are very, very good. Even as much as you have 20 clothes, you should have 20 pants if possible.
Exactly.
You shouldn't repeat it.
To
You
change
have
pants
you have
3
to-
months,
yeah.
every 3 months.
You share and your toothbrush. Some people are using last day.
Sure,
Your toothbrush
you have to.
because you say, this toothbrush is too strong. I have a friend of mine. She will say, I beg the toothbrush is too strong. It's not by the strength. If possible, monthly change your toothbrush. Toothbrush is the
That's very
most
true.
cheapest thing. Even
Wow.
the most expensive toothbrush is 600. How much do you spend in a day? How much do you eat? And the passage through which the food goes through, you don't
Yeah.
keep it neat. So all these things are very, very necessary. Even your foot. Some guys, when you wear shoe, your socks is another
Yeah.
layer of the earth itself. When you remove your shoe, the whole earth in shambu, everywhere scatters. So you have to wear your socks. Then wear your shoe and change your socks regularly. Don't have only 2 socks. Then when you pull off, everywhere.
Beautiful fragrance.
Yeah. So for the socks, guys, you have to change your socks regularly. You can get a pair of socks. You can get the bunch. So when you come back, you take your shoe outside for the sun to touch it, because when you constantly wear your sneakers without sun in it, it tends to have odor because your foot is being covered.
That's true.
And it's good to, if you wear your sneaker, make sure you can wear an ankle sock like what I'm wearing. You can wear an ankle sock and put on your shoe so that the sweat will not boil down to the shoe, to just stay in the socks. And when you come, you pull up the sock, take it to the laundry basket or to the laundry machine and trash it out.
Wow.
Not that you just come back, you repeat the socks. No, all these things that I've listed, all this, every part of your body, look into it every day. Don't just every time you wake up, you wash, you just bath, you wear everything, wear whatever you say, you move to work, and you come back, oh, I'm tired, you pull off the next day. You start taking care of your body. No,
that's
every single
laziness,
part of your body should be properly taken
care of.
Even to the earlobe holes. Once in a while, you remove that earring that you've been wearing, and since it's 3 years ago, that earring has not left. You're saying it's good, your ear don't despoil. Come out and do something cleaner. If you come out and smell, like you say the smell, you the ooze. Also, thank you guys for listening. I love you guys. Thank you, man, for giving me this platform to speak to you guys. I love you. And next time I'm going to give an interesting topic. Just stay by and don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button.
Exactly. Let them subscribe.
Bye.
That was a wonderful, insightful topic, and then I really love it. I think Amarachi is brilliant, and she's also vibrant, and that's the reason why I gave her the chance for her to speak out, to speak to some of you out there. And I hope that you will learn from what she has said here. Even if you don't learn, you can still listen or send out the video to your family and friends. Someone might be interested in the video. You know what I'm talking about, okay? So guys, subscribe to the channel, and then don't forget to give me a thumbs up whenever you watch the video. And guess what? Click on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my videos. And I love you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.